What's up guys, Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the first Hot Wheels Redline Club release of 2026. It is the Pagani Huayra R, the 2021 Pagani Huayra R. And yeah, January was a very slow month for the RLC and Mattel Creations in general. I mentioned that in my Mod Shop Gladiator video. But now that it is February, things are picking up. The Datsun 510, actually I'm recording this on Monday the 23rd, the purple 510 goes on sale tomorrow. And then I think the next sale is the membership card. It would be the new Cobra casting. Yeah, here's the box. Got the 4 circles there meant to represent the exhaust on the back of the Huayra R. Got a carbon fiber deco silver Hot Wheels logo. Italian striping there along the bottom. Bunch of stuff. There's your blurb of text. You can pause that if you want. Try and look for typos. Here's the base. The trademarks Pagani, Huayra, Zonda, Utopia, and any other trademark. It's legal mumbo jumbo. Copyright date 2024. Even though this is a 2026 release. All right. Thought I would go over the first 2 releases of this casting. This was designed by Ron Wong. This came out, I believe this was early 2024 in a spectraflame shadow chrome. Very nice, kind of have some yellowish accents, some nice deco on it, really nice detail. There is a removable piece of this casting. I will get into that when we do this one, because I don't really want to touch these because they are spectraflame. Very nice though. The back's really nice. It's a really nice casting. The mirrors are actually a separate piece. That one's really good. Late 2024, so the same year that this released, this one released in blue. I think I like the blue one a little better. I love the blue-lipped 10 spokes. The spectraflame blue is very nice. The carbon fiber deco looks good. I'm a big fan of this casting. It's very well done. Well, I like seeing more exotics in the RLC, and these are a great pair. Well, now it's a trio because we have a third one, and it's not spectraflame. Here it is. There's the acrylic case. I'm gonna try and get it off. Didn't give me a lot of trouble. That's good. Just the insert piece. I'm gonna put that in there. Alrighty. First thing to note, it's not spectraflame. It is silver, but oh my gosh, this is one heck of a silver. So usually silver, it would be this. This is a R34 Premium. This is from 2019 Team Transport. It's a little dirty because I've had it for a while and displayed for a while, but you'll notice how it's like the silver, it's, it is silver, but if you compare it to this, oh my gosh, it's like not even close. This looks dull. This sparkles. I think the closest thing to describing this would be this. This was the Mercedes, the Matchbox Mattel Creations, the second release, or the second drop. It's similar to that, but even then, this is kind of like a foil look. It's shiny, but this like really shines. It shines a lot more because I think it actually has metal flake in there. It definitely does. So it has way more of like a shine to it. It's very nice looking, and this, from what I can tell, this is still available on Mattel Creations. I think part of that might be because it is not spectraflame. That could be a deal breaker for some people. The first 2 releases were spectraflame. This one is not. But if you're not going to do a spectraflame, a color like this is still very striking. It still looks really nice. But yeah, the mirrors are actually rubberized, and that's something they did with the second release. The first release, the mirrors are actually very rigid, but then the second release, they kind of rubberized them, and this one, they're also rubberized. And this is so they aren't as brittle and frail, so they don't break off super quickly. Yeah, this silver is very... What is the official color? Do they just call it silver? Silver paint gleams off the metal body. Thank you for that. 10 spokes again. That's the proper wheel for this, with a chrome lip this time. You have the Italian flag there. You have the paint on the side here, but it's a little sloppy maybe. It looks like it's kind of drooping down. because of the, is that because it's part of the base? Oh yeah, no, that explains it. So that, because this is part of the base, it's also painted silver, but on the edge here, it is kind of running down. I mean, from far away, it doesn't look bad, but when you get up really close, then you do notice those things. You have the back. Interestingly enough, the Italian flag colors are not painted there on the bottom. The last two releases you had, oh, I am touching that with my fingers. I said I wasn't going to. It has the green, the white, and then the red. This is just solid. It's just solid black there. You have the taillights painted in. You have the exhaust. The wing, I believe the wing is a separate piece with a carbon fiber look to it with the Pagani logo on the back with white finishes there. So there's the wing. Carbon fiber detailing there on the top. Pagani on the windshield. There is the gas cap painted in gray. Also on the other side. So no matter what side you pull up to the pump, you can gas it up without reaching all the way around. I don't know if people would take this to a normal gas station. I have no clue, but you could. There are the headlights. Nice and deeply recessed in there. It looks really good, and the base is black. This is probably the cleanest version we've seen. It has some carbon fiber accents, but like it's very clean. Like this one had some deco and roundels. This one also had deco. It had more carbon fiber and this light blue kind of streak. This one it just gets the essentials. And this does have a removable piece, and it would be the back here. If I can get it to come off, the back is removable. Let me try and remove it. I forget how you do this. I know the back's removable, but I forget how to do it and I don't want to break it. Do I risk it? Because I know with this one, I feel like I just kind of lifted it up. Oh, I think you pull it out. This one's just kind of stuck on, maybe? Okay, so let me demonstrate it on this one. The back's supposed to come out like that. Easy enough. This one's not cooperating with me. Looks like this whole thing, what part of it should come out? Okay, right above the exhaust. See if I can lift this up. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Because I swear the other ones I just kind of like pull. It's like it's on really tight. Am I gonna have to cut away and figure this out or get a tool or do something? I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get a tool and just try and finagle with this and see if I can get it open. Plastic doodads acquired. I want to get this open, but I am scared that my large fingers are going to impede that. So I'm going to try and pry this open, maybe from the bottom, with a plastic tool. Oh, I think that loosened something. Did it? Can I pull this off now? No? What is it going to take to show off the engine compartment? Why is it not super easy? I mean, I know you want... I don't want to ruin the car. But I know this is supposed to come off because it's the same casting. How in the world? Because this one, it's got it. So the way it works is it's got two clips here, and they kind of just clip in there, and you can usually just lift it up and take it out. Same with this one. I mean, this one, yeah, just take the back and kind of pull it up. Let's try the same here. Take the back. That was okay. Very aggressive. Did I just break it? I don't know. That was very aggressive and scary. There's the back. You have engine. Look at that V12 Pagani. Were the other ones printed like that? Did it say V12 Pagani? Yeah, it did. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's the same detailing and deco as the other releases. But you do have the chassis detail. You have the exhaust. You have the engine. It all looks really good. It's a nice removable piece if you can remove it, or you have the guts to remove it. Not sure why that one took so long, but yeah, there are the prongs. So I guess the proper way is to kind of just hold it from the back and pull. But you put it back on, it actually is quite seamless. It looks good. But yeah, now that I've done it, I guess it might have loosened it now, so it's actually able to come off. But yeah, there it is. That is the model. That's the Pagani Huayra R, the third release in silver. Quite like it. It's a nice clean version. This silver is like a proper silver. It's really shiny. It really in person this looks really nice and vibrant. It's really good. Like compared to a normal Hot Wheels silver, this sparkles. The closest I think I can think of is, like I said, this Matchbox model. But I still think this one might have a little more shine. It might be because there are more panel lines, more surfaces, so it can kind of shine a bit more. But I think the metal flake on this one does help it shine a bit. This does not have metal flake, I don't believe. Solid release, but it's still sitting on Mattel Creations. I feel like it might be from the lack of spectraflame paint like these two, which is what may be influencing people to not buy it. But yeah, I dig it. It's a nice third release. The silver is really good looking. And yeah, that is the third edition of the Hot Wheels 2021 Pagani Huayra R from the RLC.